Hello and welcome to Baskets Galore. These are our favourite hamper gifts under £50 as chosen by our staff.
I have chosen Animal Farm, a birthday basket with a real country feel. The animals have taken over this display of mouth-watering goodies designed for a party of your very own, or you may decide to share.
I picked Battle Juice because, first of all, it has a brilliant name and two delicious juices, and the highlight of the basket has to be that the Irish shortbread just melts in your mouth.
I've chosen Cheese and White Wine basket because it's fresh and summery, and I can imagine myself sitting outside on a picnic blanket in the sunshine, sipping the chilled white wine, enjoying the cheese board and the fruity chutneys.
I like fruit crumble because this hamper has lots of fruit. I like to eat lots of biscuits when I do not feel like being so healthy. This basket has lots of color, it is bright, it is healthy, and I like to wrap it.
I've picked Ladies' Day because it's my birthday soon and I'd love to receive this basket of goodies. I can just imagine tucking into the freshly baked birthday cake and creamy cheeses and then washing it down with some fruity West Coast cooler.
I've chosen the titanium edition because there's so much going on in this gift basket, all representing the best possible taste. My favourites are the freshly baked cupcakes, the Supreme Champion marmalade and the raspberry meringue chunky chocolate.